Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Kuromi stickers in Heartopia. So this is week 2 of the Sanrio kind of event. So we are going to finish our quests here. So if you go to the Sweet Secrets page, I pet a cat one time, watered for another DG member one time. I just need to complete 5 resident requests. I just need to complete this one. There we go. And now I'm just going to claim these and get these stickers. Got this one, and this one. Let's see, I got 2 duplicates. So I will try to find one. I usually find one in communities that have Heartopia communities. So I will do that. Probably exchange the mischievous Kuromi. But I also got other stickers from the Gacha machines. I got it from the ones at the beach. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!